Are you ready for your close-up? Are you ready to be on camera? Hi guys. I just wanted to say that I am sick to death of having to run to the vet or the groomer every single time I want to cut Tootsie Roll's toenails. I'm assuming that there's a lot of you out there that are the same way. So what my little friend here, Tootsie Roll, and I are going to show you today is how we do at-home nail trimming. And I want to welcome you guys. And if for those of you that know me, you know I'm an insane animal lover and enthusiast. And for those of you that don't, my name is Nicole Thompson, and I'm the owner of Paws to Perfection Promotions. And let's jump into how we do at-home toenail trimming. So my wonderful little daughter here, Tootsie Roll Thompson, she's going to be our little demo girl. She's ready to be on camera. She's beautiful. And she's going to lay down for me here. She is probably the best dog when it comes to trimming nails because she's so lazy. So I'm going to have her lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Lay down. Okay. And usually you're going to laugh, but I usually flip her on her back because she's so lazy about this. I like to use a dog nail trimmer. This one here is my personal favorite. Make sure it's good and sharp. You don't want a dull one because it puts too much pressure on the nail and that can pinch their fingers, I was going to say, their toes, and then they're going to be more, they're going to resist it more. So if you can get them to be relaxed and make them as comfortable as possible, you're going to get the best results. Lay down, Toots. Okay, let me get her into position, and I'm going to move the camera so that you guys can see. Bear with me because she's not as delicate flower as she'd like to think she is. And I just flip her on her back and tuck her under. And don't mind her lazy belly here. And I'm going to move the camera just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, princess here. Okay, so when I take the trimmer does have a guard on it. And I usually do not let the toenail go past the guard. In fact, I actually go quite a bit less into the guard. And she's being so good here. She's really demoing the nails. And I don't know if you can see because I really can't get the camera too close. Let me see if I can move that a little bit closer just so you can see her nails. She's getting nervous with the camera. She wants to see what's going on. Lay down, it's okay. So her nails, she's got, get the right angle here. She's got like the white tip, and then you can see where the quick starts. It starts to turn pink. So you're not going to cut even close to the quick. You're just taking off that little tip of the nail. Put the camera back. And when you hold the toe steady that you're trimming on, and then just get the tip and snip. And she doesn't even flinch. And just take the little ends off. You do not want to cut down too close to the quick of the nail or where the blood flow comes in, because that's when you can make the toes bleed. And look at that. All done. One hand all done. We haven't had to go to the vet. We haven't had to go to the groomer. We haven't had to leave the house, which she wouldn't mind, but that's a different story altogether. This costs nothing short of buying the trimmers one time. And if you have any nails that are kind of overgrown, you want to trim just the tip, give it a couple weeks, and then when the nail has grown out a little bit more, as you trim the nail, the quick will recede. So you can take, like this one here for some reason has grown a little bit more than the others. I must not have trimmed it quite as far the last time. So I'm going to take just a little bit more off, but I can see her quicks right there. So I don't want to cut too far into the quick, or I don't want to cut anywhere near the quick. But if I let that go for about a week and then go back and trim it again, the quick will recede. So you don't have to worry about that the next time. So now she's so good. She's not even budging here. I'm going to move your pillow, sweetheart. Hold on. I know. All right. I'm actually going to move the camera rather than trying to move her. Kind of like trying to move a boulder. And now her back toenails are black. So basically I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the front toenails, but with the back ones I can't see her quick. So I need to be extra careful as to not cut too deep into the nail. So again, just the tip of the nail, and it's really all you have to take. The ones that are really overgrown, you may want to see a groomer or a vet. And then there are some vets that recommend cutting it way back, or them cutting it way back. You don't want to do that yourself. And then, let it bleed and heal. And then the nails grow out naturally. They cut them back and actually cut into the quick. Personally, I do not agree with this. I do not feel like animals need to be put in any more pain than absolutely necessary. And when you're cutting their nails like this, they're not in any pain. None whatsoever. Her nails are done. She's all set. And the worst part of this is now I have to find all the little pieces that I've snipped off and just to pick them up and throw them away. So my little princess here has done beautifully, and she will be getting a treat shortly thereafter. Are you done? You're just leaving me now? You're done with your camera time? Okay, guys, well, Tootsie Roll is going to take her leave of us shortly. And I just realized it's snowing again in here, sunny, beautiful Connecticut. I'm ready. Oh, almost dropped my camera. I'm so ready for spring. So if you guys found any of this content useful, I'd really appreciate the share. If you have any ideas for other topics you would like to see me cover, I will be happy to do so. Just drop them in the comments section. And if there's anything else I can ever do for anybody, you can always check out my blog. My blog is at pawsetoperfection.com, which is PAWS, the number 2, PURRFECTION.com. And I'm also going to pin that in the comments section so that you can just pop over there real easy. I have lots of free content over there, lots of great pet care tips. And I am looking forward to chatting with you again real soon. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.